Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making something so delicious, so beautiful, and so easy, an upside-down pineapple cake. It's so soft, it melts in your mouth. And trust me, your taste buds are in for a fun ride. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's make the topping. You'll need 100 grams of softened butter and 100 grams of soft brown sugar. Mix them together until you get this nice paste-like texture. Now, grab a 20-centimeter round cake tin and spread this paste all over the base in a thin, even layer. This is going to be the top of our cake later. We used 7 pineapple rings in juice. Make sure to drain the juice, but don't throw it away. You'll need it later. Place the rings neatly at the bottom of the tin like this. Then, take 7 glacé cherries and pop one in the center of each ring. It's like putting little jewels on a crown. Set the tin aside and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. That's 356 Fahrenheit using the fan setting. Now, for the cake mix, you'll need an electric whisk. It makes life so much easier. Throw in 150 grams of softened butter, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 150 grams of self-raising flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, and finally, 3 tablespoons of that pineapple juice we saved earlier. Whisk, whisk, whisk until it's light and fluffy. Pour the batter gently into the prepped tin, covering the pineapple rings. Smooth it out and make sure to clean the sides. It's all about that tidy finish. Pop it in the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until it's golden brown. Once it's baked, let it cool for 10 minutes. Then gently turn the tin upside down onto a flat plate. And voila! Look at that beauty! Doesn't it look amazing? It's so soft, golden, and totally irresistible. Just don't eat it all by yourself unless you want your sugar levels to go crazy. Oh, and it's even better with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, especially when it's still warm. And there you have it, your very own upside-down pineapple cake. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye!